Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be sharing a few study tips that I use and I find helpful, and I hope you guys will find these helpful too. So let's get started. Tip number one, making mind maps. Now, making mind maps will give you an overview of the entire chapter. It will also help you make connections between topics, which will help you remember what you're studying. It's also simple and fun to do and more efficient at the same time. And during exams, when you want to revise, you can revise an entire chapter at once. So, mind maps can be helpful in a lot of ways. Moving on to tip number two, using mnemonics. Mnemonics will help you remember the things faster. Make the silliest and the funniest mnemonics in the form of abbreviations or songs, and you'll surely remember those in your exams. Tip number three, write down all the formulae and the things you need to remember on a paper and stick it on your study desk. Make it a little interesting so that it can draw your attention. I also did this with my social sciences map work because I was really lazy to open the textbook every single day and find all the map locations. So I marked all of the locations on one single map and put that map on my study desk. And I just used to go through it whenever I came to study or like whenever I saw it. And during my pre-board and board exams, I was actually able to imagine the picture of the map work being on my study table, and I was then able to remember and mark the locations. Moving on to tip number four, which is one of the most important tips, practice. Now, what happens with me most of the times is that I understand the concepts, but when it comes to applying the concepts in numericals, I just go blank. I'm pretty sure many of you might also be scared of physics, chemistry, and math numericals like me. So, the only solution to this is practice. If you get the answers right, it'll boost your confidence. If you get it wrong, you'll know where you're going wrong, and you'll also get a chance to correct your mistakes because it's not an exam, right? And now that you know what mistakes you have done while practicing, you won't repeat those mistakes in your exams. Tip number five, taking running notes. Now, while teaching, teachers do say that these points are important, right? Even when you're watching a YouTube video, there are a few topics that teachers would ask you to note down, and you'll surely get questions from those topics in your exams. And then when you see those questions in the exam, you'll be like, oh yeah, we had discussed this that day in our class, and because the teacher said it was important, I had also noted it down. So whenever you're learning a topic, be it online or offline, note down whatever you feel is important and it will surely help you. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.